Hi, my name is Nelson Vargas. I'm an electrical engineering major and I graduate in August 2023. For this project, um, I'm going to just show you the code, discuss my problem areas, challenges, successes, and then show a quick demo of how it works. The intent of this code was to write an algorithm that goes takes 20 values, 20 tasks, and schedules them with the LDF and EDF, last deadline first and earliest deadline first, and sort them and determine whether those schedules were feasible. But for my project, I wanted to use the Arduino IDE because I use Arduino in various projects, and then I also use Excel quite a bit, so I wanted to interface with Excel and see if I could enter values within Excel to the Arduino, just because it's easier than asking through a serial monitor, a one by one, entering in your arrays. Where I got to, what this code actually does is it takes one row. It can only take one row of input. So I input the deadlines, and then it will sort them highest to low, as you can see here. Yeah, these functions are attempts at different functionalities, but I did not get all of them working. I'm just sorting really nine inputs. I cannot go over 2-digit inputs just because of the way the Excel interfaces and sends data to the Arduino. I can lay that out. You'll hear that more about that with my successes and failures. But I'm going to upload this and demo it real quick. Upload. Oh, gotta disconnect first. Upload. And start here. Okay, so this is where we'll input it, and you'll see two channels: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then the data in will be what Excel is receiving back in from Arduino, and this will sort it 98765431. So it did reschedule, and as you can actually see here, it did tell me that the LDF algorithm did not produce a viable schedule. And sorry. But so I was very motivated to work with Arduino and Excel because I've used them often and I know I'll continue using them. Some of my challenges with this project, because of the Excel fixed format, I needed to find a way to rearrange an array of characters rather than integers, but also I needed to leave the commas in place. Sorting characters, I was limited to single-digit numbers since I couldn't figure out how to sort the characters into 2-digit numbers, or sort characters as 2-digit numbers. I don't think that was possible because they're characters. I also did last deadline first algorithm. I did that one first and it got it working, but I was unable to troubleshoot the earliest deadline first algorithm and get it working. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out the formatting for getting the string of characters to show back in Excel in this format. And it kind of just became a black hole of time, and the end product doesn't seem that overly impressive to me, but it's yeah, I think that ties right into lessons I learned with this project. I think something I would take away is be more flexible with projects like this. I was pretty stubborn with the tools I wanted to use in our Excel and Arduino, if I were to do this project again, I would probably tweak it to probably use Python or use something on an online compiler just for easier interfacing. I think there's a lot more flexibility. But since I decided to use Excel and didn't fully understand how Excel worked, I think that ended up hurting me. But yeah, I can link. I did use some YouTube videos as well as Chat GPT to develop some of this code, um, but I can link all of the resources I used in the comments if it's requested. And yeah, so this is my project. Thank you for your time and have a good day.